Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So thank you so much for joining me. If you are new here, if you're a returning family member, thank you so much for joining me on today. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some fake baking. I love fake baking. I love making fake food, faux food, whichever one you want to call it. I love it. I started doing it about a year and a half ago. Probably, I'm going to say about 2 years ago. I really got into it, like making it all the time. And I love it. It's one of my all-time favorite things to do, especially during this time of the year. Fake baking is the most enjoyable during Christmas because you can make cookies, you can do pies, you can do cakes, you can do gingerbread men, you can do gingerbread houses. It's so much, like coffee drinks. It's so much you can do during the Christmas season. So in today's video, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be fake baking. I'm going to be showing you tips and different things that you can do, different products that I use to do my fake bakes. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this fun and easy fake bake DIY. All right, you guys, we are getting ready to hop into this DIY. In this DIY, you're going to need a non-stick cookie sheet. This right here came from Walmart. It was 98 cents. You will also need these 4 ornaments right here. These were, let's see, $7.98. Let me see if y'all can see the price. These were $7.98. You will also need a spoon and a spatula from Dollar Tree. You are going to need your spackle. This is my first time trying this spackle here. I normally use the lightweight spackle from Dollar Tree, or just the regular lightweight spackle from Walmart. This is called the Dry Time Indicator Spackling. When you first use it, it's pink, and as it dries, it turns white. It's not the lightweight. It's heavy, but with the inflation and everything that's going on, it's so much cheaper to buy your spackling in the bigger containers versus buying them in those little small ones from Dollar Tree, because the amount of fake bakes that I do, like, that will be a whole lot of money. So I buy these right here. It's my first time trying this one. So far I like it, and it turns white. You're gonna need that. It's called Dry Time Indicator Spackling, and this one here is not the lightweight, but it still does the job. So I pray that everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day on today. I am. So we are going to take, let me see if I got my wire cutters. Let's put this to the side. We are going to take these ornaments. I was just sitting back, and I go to the store a lot, and I be looking at like a lot of the different ornaments in Walmart and at Dollar Tree. And I noticed that they had these little cute gingerbread ornaments. Even Dollar Tree has like the different ornaments that look like cookies, and they're so cute. I decided to go to Walmart and get them because I knew I need like at least 4 to 5. And with Dollar Tree being like $1.25 a piece, I'm like, I'm gonna pay way over for it. So I went to Walmart to get the different ones. So they did not have any individual cookies like the gingerbread man, or the candy canes, but they had these cute gingerbread houses, cookies. I thought it was so cute. So cute. That's how it looked on the bag. And they had different styles. One got a snowman. One actually got a gingerbread man on the front. And the other one has another gingerbread man. And it has Santa Claus. This one has Santa Claus. I thought that was so cute. It's lightly dusted and it looks so much like a cookie. So I said, why not make it look like it's a pan of fresh baked gingerbread house cookies? So that's what we're going to do in today's Fake Bake. So we're going to take, these are just simple wire cutters from the Dollar Tree. And if you look right here, there is a little hook right there. We want these to look like real cookies. So we're going to take and pull that hook out. We're going to pull it, pull it, pull it. First, we're going to cut this piece. Then we're going to pull it. Normally, it's pretty easy to get out because I have done something like this before in the past. See, there we go. Make sure. I'm trying to get my camera to focus so you can see it. There we go. And that's what you'll remove out of each one. I'm going to set that to the side. As you are removing each one, we're going to just place them on the cookie sheet as we're doing that. Let's remove the second one. All right. Thank the Lord for this beautiful day that He has made and that He has blessed us with. God has been like so good to us. He's been better to us than we've been to ourselves. And I just thank Him on today, everybody. I thank Him. I thank Him. Let me know if anyone else besides me have their Christmas tree already up. Some people say that it is so untraditional to put your Christmas tree up before Thanksgiving. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm a non-traditional person. That's just me. I do things on how I feel, how I'm led and guided to do. Every year, I generally put my Christmas tree up early. Unless something happens and I'm unable to do that, then I don't put my Christmas tree up early. But 99% of the time, my Christmas tree goes up early every year. I feel like you can put your Christmas tree up whenever you want to. It all depends on how you're feeling, what you're ready for, and what actual mood you're in. I love Christmas. Everyone that has been on my channel for a long time know that I am a Christmas kind of girl. This is one of my favorite times of the year. I be so excited when Christmas comes because Christmas time brings the best DIYs. I mean, the best creative things happen during Christmas time. And I am so glad and excited to be a part of that. So, all right, we're going to take our pan right here. And we're going to apply each one on with hot glue. I'm going to do mine the tall way. Because I'm going to use it as like a decorations on the back. My little backdrop back there. So you're going to take a generous amount of hot glue. I'm going to put a bit there up here. Generous amount of hot glue. Because you want to make this like a permanent thing. I know I love doing these. We're going to like just press and hold. Press and hold, press and hold. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right. And we're just going to repeat the process. I make a lot of faux cookies myself. Using my clay, air dry clay, and what else you call it? Model Magic. And I be trying to think of ways, because everybody is not like me. Everybody is not good with making stuff out of clay. So I was trying to come up with the idea and a DIY where you could still make fake bake cookies and give like the fake bake look without physically using the air dry clay and the Model Magic, because everybody is not into that, you know. Some people are just not into that, and I totally understand. It is not for everybody. So we're gonna do the same thing down here. We're gonna glue just like that. We're gonna glue them like that. All right. I wanted to make sure it was even. That's why I got quiet for a second. I wanted to make sure it was even, and I had it in the position that I wanted to be in. Let me know if you got real cold weather right now. This morning when I woke up, it was 31 degrees where I live. 31 degrees. It took it like forever to get cold. Like, we stayed warm most of the year. We stayed very warm most of the year. We're gonna apply the next one. And out of hot glue. Where most of the fall, I meant to say, we were like real warm. Like, we had temps where you could still wear shorts and stuff like that. And we was in like October and late September. And that is like so odd. But we have weather like that sometimes where I live. Where it's just so sporadic, like you just don't really know. All right, we just hold them down till they are like completely dry. So you got that there, and this one here. So it's gonna look just like that. You see? It's gonna look just like that. That's how it's going to look on your pen. Now, this is an added bonus. You don't have to do that. You could take your pen, and that can be just your cookies, just so. But you know me, I'm so extra. I love being extra. That's what makes Christmas and DIYing and fake bakes so awesome. So you will take a few spoons of your spackle, you see, and you want it to look like icing. So you're gonna add like a little tiny bit of water to it. So you're gonna take that little tiny bit of water and add it to your spackling. We are going to also, to make things really cute, gotta look for my gotta find my little glitter. Needed that glitter. So we're gonna take this spatula here, and we're gonna take this, and we're gonna dip it in. We're gonna literally dip it in. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little extra to it, you know, to give it that. I just been in some icing type of look. We're going to do a little bit more. Like that, okay? We're not gonna make it too thick because you don't want it to take forever for it to dry. So we're gonna leave it just like that. And then while we are right here, we are going to dust it with some of this crystal diamond glitter. We're gonna dust it now. We'll go over it with some Mod Podge. And we're gonna do the same thing right here. We're gonna just dust it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let this sit up and dry. It generally takes this about I'm gonna say a couple of hours to dry. See? And when that pink dries, it's gonna dry. When the pink spackle dries, excuse me, y'all, I'm getting tongue-tied. When the pink spackle dries, it's gonna turn white. It's gonna turn all white. So it's gonna be just as white as the cookies frosting. And then what you will do after that, you will actually take your frosting spoon, your frosting spatula, and you're gonna hot glue it somewhere on your pan once it dry. So stay tuned for pictures on my community tab of this fake bake right here. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna probably put it like somewhere like that or somewhere over here like that. I'm gonna make it really, really cute once it dries. I don't want to put it anywhere without it drying. So I'm gonna set this up in the area where it can dry. And like I told you a few minutes ago, it normally takes a couple of hours for it to dry. I purchased one of these probably about the beginning of this year from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to set it in there. So if you have one of these, this will be great to use to dry your spoon in. And this is just one of the cutest fake bakes ever. I love it. Like I said earlier, stay tuned to some actual pictures that I'm going to upload once everything dries on my community tab. I'm so excited that you all could join me on today. Inbox me with any fake bake questions. I will try to help you to the best of my ability. Anything that you want to know in particular that I use for certain things, just drop it down in the comments below. I will share it with you. I don't mind at all. I just love sharing my DIYs with all of you and showing you how to create beautiful home decor items on a budget. So always remember, you all, to create, explore, and enjoy, and share my video. I love all of you so much. Until next time, have a blessed and prosperous day.